Alright, we're going to start out this tripod project with 3 6-foot lengths of fir or spruce doweling. This is 3/4 inch doweling. We've had the stickers removed and we are carefully sanding these down. Alright, prepare for the next. Alright, here we are. Staining the doweling. Just had some Minwax wood stain. Poles after 2 coats of varnish, and they're sitting here drying right now. Yeah, you want to twist the tail end and then work that into your over and under loops. Okay, so there you go. Over under until you get at least 4 or 5 wraps around. And now you're gonna come over here, up through under here, and then yeah, we're gonna just do wraps around nice and tight. You know, make those nice and tight because the whole thing has got to be tight. Otherwise, it's not gonna hold together very well. It'll slide around on these poles. Get that nice and tight and do 2 wraps through there. Now we just have to do 1 clove hitch over on this side down here, and that's how we'll tie it off.
There you go.
What? That's all backwards, man.
Wait, what? I just got a second scratch on my knee. Where did that come from?
Oh, dude.
Now my height, and I can.
Yeah, it's a little low because if you put a rifle in there, you want to keep it a little bit higher. Maybe even can you get a?
If you stick this thing on the ground, right? It's on a hill.
Yeah, but it's gonna be like in the wild. It's gonna be.